Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Bash back again with new video. I'll show you what I did today. You know, it was a crazy week for me. I started off the week pretty much very good. You know, for Monday, Tuesday was super good banger trades. And then yesterday, Wednesday, I said it. I said I wasn't gonna trade. I said I wasn't gonna trade. No trades for me today. Like I knew it. I just knew the market was just gonna do some shit. And I tell you, I didn't take AM section and then PM section. I tried to force some trade. I blew my account, bro. Did what it is. I don't have to, no stories about it. There's nothing to say. I fucked up. I should have stick to my rules, but instead I did some dumb shit, and then you know, the outcome wasn't pretty. But yeah, I'll just go over the trades I took real quick today. I did pass some evaluation I got from Apex. So I got two 50K accounts for I think £15. So two 50K accounts. I got two of it and then I passed them just literally in one trade today. So I'll go over the trades I took that passed me those accounts. So today I was bullish, right? We have this we have a major sweep right here. So that was a major title sweep right there. And pretty much we on Tuesday we had a major good reaction kind of there with trend. And we engulfed this candle. And from there, price was just kind of weakening. So just before we have this, price was, this candle, this was a previous candle. Yeah. So if you go to the weekly chart, I'll show you the weekly chart real quick. So we have a big bearish gap. That was my kind of, you know, I was looking at that as well. If price just wanna, trade into it deep or just kind of invest this and then pretty much just gonna come back to all-time highs. But yeah, I don't think that's possible for now. So take this off, take this off real quick. And I'll go back to the daily. So yeah, took out this low, engulf this candle, put in an auto block there. So I was expecting price to maybe trade down into this order block, wicket on this candle right here, and then trade back up. But instead, we just pumped. So scale down to the 15 minute. So 15 minute, right? So yeah, before midnight open, right? So market pumped. We pumped. This was retail. A lot of people chase this, and you know, if I would have chased, I would have made some money as well. But I don't. I just don't want to chase. It's way too volatile during the market during this time, and if you try to go in for some scalp, you might get cooked immediately. So yeah, this was Asia high, right? Yeah, Asia high already got swept. So pretty much waiting for a major reaction. So I came in to do my analysis, and I saw this right here. We swept Asia, and then we put in a IAVG to the downside. We invest this bullish gap, and then pretty much kind of just wicking around. So, like I said, I was bullish. I was waiting for price to manipulate into this gap again, and then maybe market open. We come back, take out this high, but I was wrong. So I guess I switched my bias from bullish to bearish. So scale down to the 1 minute chart, show you what I did. So right, we took out Asia high, uh, good IAVG there, and then we put this from SMT right here. Market was just kind of consolidating, and then breaks lower. So breaks lower, keeps breaking, and then from there, pre-market we consolidate, we ranged. IAVG downside, we didn't take out this low, put in SMT, and then from there, I came in right here. So was it right here? Not this one. Was it there? Yeah, well, it was. Yeah, hell yeah. That's the area. So yeah, so it was ranging. So I was waiting for price to see if one of the pair want to put in an SMT, which we did. So NQ took out this high. Y on ES we didn't. So that's SMT with ES right there. So we took out this high on NQ, Y on ES. I'll show you. We didn't take out that high. So yeah, and see on ES right here, we'll put in SMT there. So that's just what I saw. So yeah, what was I waiting for? Displacement to the downside and take my entry. right off the area. So the 925 candle was where I got my entry. So we put in an SMT. What do you expect after an SMT? A displacement to the opposite side and maybe some sort of fair value gap. You take your entry from there, and then you just see if price just want to keep going your way or you're gonna get stopped out. So yeah, after putting in SMT, I got my entry right on this candle. So I had my stop just above the SMT high. Yeah, I was pretty much risking 30 points. So it was a little bit more high. Yeah, something like that. And I target 50 points. So that was great. Super, super good for me today. Got in there, literally no drawdown. I had 20 minutes, bro. 20 minutes on T50K account. That's crazy. I think that's like 1 to 1 because literally you have to make 15K to pass the account. So I had 20 minutes and yeah, I got my entry right there. I had my stop. It was kind of risky. I was shaking. I was like, if this shit just goes against me for like 10 points, my account is gone. And Apex is just trailing drawdown. You don't mess with it. So yeah, market open, we dumped immediately. And pretty much the rest of the day was a training day as well. So yeah, after sweep of previous day low, we invest this gap here and then pretty much to the upside. From there, the rest of the day was pretty much, ranging, ranging, ranging. So yeah, again, I'm still bullish. There's no way we just dumped, 500 points and then no reversal or some sort of fucking. So yeah, pretty much, me and that open, I expect price to maybe trade into these highs and then we see what we can get from there. So yeah, that's what I did for today. Again, if you like the video, subscribe, like, comment, and I'm gonna show you my PNL. Show you my PNL for today. So yeah, I'll show you my PNL. So I'm just logging through them real quick. Again, so super, super risky from what I did today. 20 minutes, bro. If that had gone against me, imagine I take a buy and then that would be crazy because I would have blown the account immediately. But yeah, P50K account passed in one trade, 1500 on each made, and then yeah, I don't really know how to show the P&L. And this is how you show it. Yeah, so yeah, 1500 made yesterday. Yesterday, go. I don't know why it's not showing, but yeah, 1500 made. That was it for today, and then pretty much I'm done for the week, if I'm not mistaken. Done for the week. Uh, and yeah, if you want to join the Discord, for now it's just a group chat. You can come stream if you want. If you want to stream, you can talk. We're just trying to be the community right now, and then members are doing super super good. Super super good today from the members. Everyone banked today, and yeah, a couple of members as well received the payouts. So you can see Wizard right here got paid today, and the general chat as well is super super good. Got a lot of people there. You know, vibing. Yeah, if you want to join, you can join. That's by the Discord. Yeah, again, super super decent for me today. That's what I did. And that's how I passed my Apex evaluation. So yeah, again, thanks for watching the video. Like, subscribe, and yeah, I'm gonna see you later.